Good morning. My name is Adi Namadi. I am studying UKG and Ellabo story. The foolish goat. Once a fox was wandering the forest. He fell into a deep well. He could not climb out of the well. He made a trip to escape from the well. He called the goat to jump into the well. Through the speed